Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 2018 Hot Wheels. My thumb covering that. New for 2018. It is the 2018 Camaro Super Sport from the Mania series, number 8 of 10 and number 50 of 365 on the year. In 2018 was the 50th anniversary of Hot Wheels. What are Mania? Custom striped muscle cars that look good driving around town or racing. This one has a 2017 copyright. Here's some information on the 18 Camaro SS. Let's get it out of the package. See how cool it is. Ooh, that's beautiful. My least favorite mags of all, to be honest. But nice looking car. And all this, what color we want to call that? It's not quite orange. I'm not really sure what color to call that. Made in Malaysia. 2 rivets. I don't know about that amber. It seems more orangey than amber. But that is all metal. Driving is on the left. You can see it in there. Windows are down in the front. Both sides. No painted headlights. There's some kind of a trim there for the taillights, but not painted. Alright, let's see how it rolls. Is it a straight roller? Yes, it is. That's a straight roller for sure. Alright. See how it rolls on my little racquetball track. That was frontwards. That's backwards. Alright, squeezing the ball frontwards. Oh, a complete flip over. We'll second that. Let's try backwards. Whoa, much better, much better. Look at that, that's cool, that's cool, that's cool. All right, let's see how it drifts. All right. Been getting into my Camaros lately again. I went through my Camaro box. I had, I don't know, about 50 or 60 Camaros in the box. It does okay for the drifting. I'm not really complaining, just nothing special or fancy yet. Let's try to spin out right to the line. That was kind of fun. Bounce off, and I got to the line also. Nice. A bounce off. That might be the first time I tried that terminology. But thank you everybody that tuned in and checked it out. I would say yes, it is a metallic in there. I'm going to call it dark. Metallic dark orange. That's what I'm going with. Hopefully you can get a good look at it right there. Black racing stripes. That temple is part of the metal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And until next time. T10 out.